Welcome back to the Pocket Door Workshop. Today we're taking a look at some new track and hardware setups. This one here is the HDPD HMT. So this has got soft close, soft open with push to open. So now you don't need a handle on the front edge of the door. You can push it out. You can do your soft close, and it also has the ability to do the soft open. Why would you want push to open? Well, some people don't want to have a handle. They want a nice clean edge on the front of the door here. And so with this system, you can achieve that. You can blend that front of the door in however you like. And then you just push on the front edge. They'll pop it out. No handle needed on the front edge. Then you can just use your flush door handle on the side there. So another cool feature with this frame kit is the ability that the track has at the top to be removable. The doors can be removed depending on what height you put your head jamb at, either with a head jamb that is above the top of the door or a removable head jamb on the other side. You can actually remove the door, and then the track has kind of a keyhole system at the top, and you can actually remove the whole track and hardware out as well. So you can wait till construction is complete and you're almost ready to move in and then hang your doors. Really cool setup. Excited to start offering this one here. So right now these are going to be available for a custom order. And depending on the interest, you might see them soon on our website. So make sure to follow along. Check out our website, hdpocketdoors.com, and we'll see you on the next one.